Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Open Notes and pick a note, then make sure your Apple Pencil is paired and the iPad is unlocked. Tap the pen icon to jump into drawing. This switches to sketch tools so you can write or mark up instantly. Choose a pen type, color, and tip size. These settings affect pressure response and line weight. Once done, rest your palm naturally on the screen. Notes ignores it. Start a light stroke to test pressure and tilt sensitivity before continuing. Now refine your workflow. You'll use the pencil for handwriting, detailed sketches, and shape drawing because the app converts strokes cleanly and preserves pressure nuance. Tap the lasso to select ink, then drag to move, pinch to resize, or rotate. This keeps layouts editable. Use 2-finger tap to undo and 3-finger to redo, or the on-screen buttons for precision. When you need close work, open the magnifier to zoom locally. Make sure to switch tools between. Finish by exporting and securing your work. Tap the Share button to save as PDF or image, choose page range and quality, and include annotations so handwriting remains visible. If you need text, use Scribble or copy-paste converted handwriting into typed text. Make sure to back up via iCloud to keep versions synced. If performance lags or strokes drop out, check pencil battery, confirm Bluetooth is active, restart notes, and toggle handwriting recognition options to resolve responsiveness issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.